You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very interesting word, originally from Japanese, and that's actually the fifth sense. It's one of the 5 basic tastes. And it comes from Japanese, so let's look at the Japanese pronunciation. Umami. Yes, the U is pronounced like a double O. You could say umami. Umami. That's Japanese pronunciation. So in English, fairly similarly, it's usually pronounced as umami. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.